Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of TripAdvisor. So why am I creating a video on their affiliate program? Haven't I already created it like a year back? Yes, I did. But it seems like some of its content has been outdated. So here I am. And based on your request, I'm creating another video on the affiliate program of TripAdvisor, which will help you in joining their current affiliate program and in promoting them. So let me take you to the website, which is tripadvisor.com. Now, who doesn't know about them? They are one of the largest travel platform out there. You could come to their website, you could explore the hotels, things to do, restaurant, vacation rentals, and book something for yourself and have an amazing time. But let's talk about the affiliate program. Can we join that? Of course we can. No matter from wherever you are, from whatever country you're from, you can apply to be a part of the affiliate program and you can promote them to the consumers from all around the globe. Totally up to you. So let me take you to the affiliate program page. So this is the one, and the information you see over here, some of it is still accurate, like they still provide commission on clicks. But if you scroll down here, they show that they are part of CJ. But that's the problem. That's what I have covered in the previous video. If you will go to CJ affiliate dashboard, so basically CJ is one of the top affiliate marketing networks. If you create an account with them, if you sign in, you might not be able to find TripAdvisor. And that could be because of two reasons. I'm unsure, but I can guess here. One could be TripAdvisor might not be active with them anymore. That's one. Second could be they might have chosen to stay private. That means you won't be able to search them or apply to them. If they decide, they can reach out to you. That's how it works as well. In any case, if you try to follow it now, you might find them or you might not be able to find them. But don't you worry, we have another way to join the affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website called travelpayouts.com. Now, what is travel payouts? Travel payouts is an amazing affiliate network out there that specializes in travel related kind of brands. If you want to join the affiliate program of these brands, then this is the network for you. So you could come to this network again, travelpayouts.com. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, come here, and over here you can click on get started if you don't have an account with them. If you do, click on login. But let's say if you don't have an account, if you click on get started, it will take you to this page. You can go with the sign up process. And I understand there are many nuances that comes in when it comes to creating an account with an affiliate network. So don't you worry, I got yourself covered. I had created a video on how to create and use the affiliate account of Travel Payouts. So you can follow the instruction from the video. You'll find the link in the video description as well. Click on the link, follow the instructions, and get yourself an affiliate account with Travel Payouts. Let's say you got an account, come to the website, click on login, which will take you to this page, enter your credential, and get into the dashboard. This is a place where you would be able to find different affiliate programs. The affiliate program has different brands, but for our video, we will only be covering TripAdvisors. So for that, you can come to the left side, hover over here, and click on programs and go to all programs. So over here, you would see all the programs that you can explore. So again, over here, click on all, and you will see that. And once you're here, you can search for TripAdvisor. Just type in and you will see them in here. And when you click here, it will take you to the TripAdvisor affiliate program information page. And so here you can learn all about them. For example, here they're trying to say, please note that TripAdvisor pays for events in two tabs only, in the hotels tab and the things to do tab. That means if you bring audience to TripAdvisor and if those audience or your traffic do something in the hotels tab or things to do tab, only then you will be entitled to get commission. You get paid for clicks out from tripadvisor.com to an agency website in the hotels screen or section for each sale made in the things to do section as well. You do not get paid for any clicks on the TripAdvisor website. So let's say if you're just generating clicks to TripAdvisor website, that will not result into commission. To get the commission, someone has to come to TripAdvisor through your efforts, through your tracking links, have to explore something and have to click on those properties or maybe things to do. And when they will, those audience or traffic of yours go to the website of whatever the search result came, that's where you will start generating commission. And if you scroll down, you can see more. So make sure that your project meets the requirements. So when you apply to be part of TripAdvisor affiliate program, your let's say if you got a website, a social media page, or maybe a YouTube channel, your content should be original, travel related content. It should at least have like be 2 months old and is regularly updated and should have up-to-date information, then allows you to organically integrate affiliate links into your content. That should be possible as well, and does not contain offensive contents, viruses, and negative content. So this is minimum requirement. And then the benefits for the customers are they can browse hundreds of millions of traveler reviews and opinions before they book. They can compare prices on hotels and find the best deals. They can choose from thousands of tours and attractions worldwide. Amazing. Now let's talk about the commission rate. How much can you earn? So 8% of the amount of tours and activities booking in the things to do. So let's say if you bring someone, some audience of yours, some traffic of yours to TripAdvisor website, and they explore something on things to do, and whatever they will pay, you will get 8% of it. That's amazing. And then 50% of the TripAdvisor's revenue when users create eligible clicks out from search result in the hotel section. Now that's great. So if your audience or traffic clicks on the browse options on TripAdvisor's, the hotel's browse option, and whatever revenue that TripAdvisor would generate because of that, you will get up to 50% commission on that. That's great. And then you will be getting commission if these things happen on desktop version of the website or the mobile version of the website. It will not work. You won't get commission if it happens within the app. Then process payout. So for hotels, the commission is labeled paid after 60 days. It means that clicks that occurred in March will get a paid status in May. So you have to wait for 60 days for any booking that happened. For things to do, if being bought, then within 7 days after the event date, it will be marked as paid. That means you will be entitled to get commission. Then the features are no hotels booking required here. You get paid when user clicks out to any of the booking sites listed in the TripAdvisor price comparisons, links to thousands of tours and attractions worldwide, and on 8% on completed bookings made by your user. That's great. So all these things are amazing. And as you can see, if you scroll down, you can see more information like project tabs and channels. So which kind of affiliates can join or can apply to be part of the affiliate program? Doesn't matter if you have a website or blog, you can apply to be part of them. You might have a social media account, maybe a Facebook account, a Instagram account, Twitter account, or rather X now, or maybe you have a video platform account like YouTube. So if you're one of these affiliates, you can apply for the affiliate program. But if you're not, and if you're other kind of affiliates, as you can see in here, you might not be able to apply to the affiliate program. So you have read it all. Now you want to apply. How do you apply? Just click on connect to program, and ensure you have tick mark this I have accepted the terms and conditions, and you should read it as well before you apply. Once you're here, over here you get to see all your available projects. Basically, projects are your online presence that you have integrated within travel payouts. I know it may sound new to you. That's why I would highly recommend watch my video on how to create and use the dashboard, affiliate dashboard of travel payouts. So over here, you can select your project, or rather your online presence, and click on request to connect. And when you do that, you will see this. Ensure that your project meets the TripAdvisor program's criteria. That means your online presence for which you're applying for, it means it should meet these things. And if you feel like, yes, that's good, just click on all good. And when you do that, it will say request to connect send. We'll email you once the brand reviews your project. It usually takes up to 2 business days. So you have to give them 2 business days. They will see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And based on that, they will give you the approval. And how would you not be notified? Just look out for an email. And when you get the approval, you can see them within this section, the connected section. So you can hover over programs again and go to connected, and you will see all your approved programs in here. So for my test account, this is the account that I have approved for, or rather the brand that I have approved for. Same way, once you get the approval from TripAdvisor, you will find them in here. Now, if you ever want to reach out to them, want to talk to them, you can click on ask questions. You can fill up the form and you can get your questions answered. Then let's say you get the approval. Now what? Now you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website and promote them. You have to use tracking link. So how do you get the tracking link? Let's say when you get the approval, you can come to all programs again. And so when we were looking at all programs, over here, you can search for TripAdvisor, or maybe go to connected and search for TripAdvisor, get to the profile once again, like here, and over here you have to go to tools. So after getting the approval, you will see the links here and the banner links here. So you can choose from these two. For now, I don't see for TripAdvisor because I'm yet to get approval from them. As you can see, request and review. But let's say if you have gotten the approval from them, then you will see something like this. So this is for Arelo, which is approved from me. If I click on tools, I can see links, widgets, banners, and I can get the link directly from here. So same way, when you get the approval from TripAdvisor, you could be able to see links and banner links in here. There's another way to create your own tracking link. And how do you do that? Just look at the top right hand side. So you can click on create link. And since you're currently on TripAdvisor affiliate program page, so that's why it's not working. But then you can go to home page. And once you're here, you can click on create link. And over here, you can select your online presence. You can select your approved program. In your case, once you get approved from TripAdvisor, just select that. You have to mention the link. Let's say if I want to create a tracking link for their main website, I can copy that. I can paste it in here and observe this link will get updated. So this is the tracking link. I can copy this and start promoting TripAdvisor this way. So this is how I can get a tracking link and I can promote them. But the question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways you can promote them, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is you could promote them on the website that you might have, so long as you get the approval. Again, when you apply to the affiliate program from the affiliate network that we talked about, you will be selecting your online presence. So you should have gotten approval for that website and you can promote them. Maybe just put the advertisement anywhere you see fit or more suited for your website. The another way is blog. Maybe you could write different blog posts about things to do and then put your tracking link for that things to do. That will lead your audience directly to that page of TripAdvisor and can empower them to click on the links. The second way is travel and tourism website. Now, come on, like if you got a travel and tourism website, it's highly likely for you to get the approval from TripAdvisor from travel payouts. And when you get the approval, you might want to create as many advertisement as you see fit for your website and show them on your website. Maybe just create a standalone section where you talk about different things to do in different location. And when people come to your website, explore that section, they will be highly likely to click on those things and which will turn into your commission when they actually buy the stuff. The third way is social media. Now, so long as you get the approval for that social media account of yours, you could promote them there. You could create short videos, reels, just post, whatever way you see more suited, you could do that. So this is how you can promote them, but there are other ways as well, whatever is more suited. And sure, you always follow terms and conditions when you promote them. So let's say you started promoting them and you started generating or bringing sales to them or revenue to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the dashboard again of travel payouts. Over here, go to the left side and click on reports and go to performance. So this is the place where you would be able to see your performance. You can run all these filters and see your performance. And if you want to see your bookings, you can click on bookings and over here you would be able to see your bookings. Now, what about the payment for it? So all the commission that will get generated, it will be paid out to travel payouts and travel payouts will issue it to you. So for that, ensure you have updated your banking details or other payment methods. So you can click on finance from here from the left side and go to payout methods first. And over here, you can select your country of residence. For me, it's India. And I can click India and these are the options available for me. Same way, whatever country of residence that you will choose from here, you will see the payment methods accordingly. And let's say if I want to set up PayPal for myself, I can click on set and it will ask me for the respective details. Now, when I go with this option, observe, so based on what I select, my minimum payout will be different. So I would only be able to get commission from travel payouts once they have received from the respective brand and it have exceeded the minimum payout based on the selection that I have did. So yeah, in accordance to you, you can select your country from here, select the payment method and have it set up. Once you have done it, you can go to the balance and this is the place where you would be able to see your total balance. You would also be able to see on the top left hand side and all the commissions that has been paid out to you. You can go to payouts and here you would be able to see. So as you can see, you will receive payouts for previous months on the 11th and 28th of the current month. Please note each payout method has its own required minimum balance that we learned about. So this is how you can set up the payment method and you can start getting commission from by promoting TripAdvisor. And this is how you find the affiliate program of TripAdvisor. You apply to them, you get the approval, and you start promoting them and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in becoming an affiliate with TripAdvisor and promoting them. For me, if you got any other question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.